This video is brought to you by Kapara Productions. Let's begin. Kosher versus kosher, that is the question. This is a common mistake among my students, definitely the English speaker ones. But what is the difference between the two? When do I use each one? It's actually not that complicated. Well, despite them sounding similar, these two words have nothing in common. Let's first discuss the kosher that is not the one you are most probably thinking about. When a Hebrew speaker says one of these following sentences, they are not referring to the type of food they eat. Ani oseh kosher, meaning, I'm doing kosher. Or, Ani holechet lecheder kosher, meaning, I'm going to a kosher room. Or, Ani bekosher, meaning, I'm in kosher? I'm not sure if you guessed correctly, but all of these three sentences above were referring to people who are working out. You see, in Hebrew, when you say the word kosher, pronounced as I did, it can mean the following. When I said in the first sentence, Ani oseh kosher, or I'm doing kosher, this is a guy actually saying, I'm working out. When I said before, Ani holechet lecheder kosher, or I'm going to a kosher room, this is a woman saying she is going to a workout room, or in modern English, a gym. In the third sentence, when I said, Ani bekosher, this is how one would say, I'm fit, meaning, I'm not a couch potato. As you could see, the word pronounced kosher, spelled with a vav, means either working out, or being fit, or being in shape. Let's move on to the common mistake, shall we? When the word is spelled without a vav, it is pronounced in Israeli Hebrew as kasher. This is when we are referring to kosher food. In English-speaking countries, you see, the word is mispronounced, which is what is causing all this confusion. Let's look at some examples. אני אוכל רק אוכל כשר, ואני עושה כושר 3 פעמים בשבוע. I eat only kosher food, and I work out thrice a week. האוכל במסעדה שליד חדר הכושר לא כשר. The food in the restaurant next to the gym isn't kosher. אני שומר על כושר, לכן אני לא אוכל את הלחם, למרות שהוא כשר. I'm staying fit, therefore, I'm not eating the bread, even though it's kosher. Continue watching my other videos to learn more important concepts in Hebrew. That is all, guys and girls. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, yalla bye!